Break time. What's up? How much? Oh my God.
It's Marchan's fault today.
Huh?
Marchan's fault.
Oh yeah. Look. This is what I'm eating. I'm recording it.
So if it don't taste good, if you die or something, you can sue your family.
No. I got a YouTube channel. I'm gonna post it.
Oh.
Yeah. But yeah, this right here, to me, it's not that spicy. But I like the 2X is the best one. Fireball, the 2X challenge. Those are the best one. That's a Korean noodle. This one right here is the Japanese home style. Yeah. Trying to mix these up really good. Oh, my break. Our breaks are pretty short. So, gotta hurry up and down this. So I can play a little bit of game on my phone. Because I like playing game on my phone. Or go down on my phone and do TikTok. That's so good. I like my food spicy. When it's spicy, I can actually enjoy the food, but when it's not spicy, it's hard. That's why I eat sweet, but I'm not really into sweet. Maybe once in a while. More like my energy drink. That's a big one. Don't mind the noise in the break room. Oh. This is also good if you have boiled eggs. Hold a minute. You also put spam.
They had rat pack over at North. I hope March 60th down there. Yeah, oh, you're right.
All done.
Already 6 inches.
The remaining, I'm just gonna drink it up. But that's it.